Morning, Al. Hello. So today's job, well, one of today's jobs, is to wire in some new Pioneer 6x9s that were in the van. So we're just going to wire them into the stereo. And we need to repair that one because I dropped it and split the speaker. Oops. So our plan is to cover this bit in glue and then stick it there. And it's going to stop it from being broken.
Is this something you made up yourself?
No, we saw a YouTube video. Here goes nothing.
Very pretty.
Oh, he's got a bandage.
So we just had a little trip to Halfords to get some of these little connectors which go on the end of the speakers here and there, and Amy's busy in the front just trying to loop up some new speaker wire which will come up the headliner into the back of that speaker gap there and this gap here. So I've got the soldering iron on, ready to tidy up these little joints here so that we get a good connection and hopefully get a good sound. Oh, and we've been to Greg's, but don't tell anyone. So you can see on the repaired speaker that Amy fixed earlier, that tissue has kind of done the job. So you can't see the tear. And we're all good to go. We're all wired up. So we're ready for a sound test in a minute. Maybe a cup of tea. So we're at the point now of putting all the stereo back together and our little speaker wires are in here safely, but don't touch them because they're a little bit intermittent. And the speakers are tidy back in the back. How are you feeling, Aim?
Hot. Behind my sheet.
It's about 1 billion degrees, so hopefully this bit will be quick.
After 3 days of having major panics, today we decided to go to Halfords to get the connectors that we needed. And we had some really good advice off our little guy over there, he's amazing. And basically we've decided to bypass the block, which is that bit there, and we're just going to connect the wires to the actual speaker wires, so we avoid just trying to get the actual connector that we can't get anywhere. So fingers crossed this is going to work and it's going to be nice, cheap and easy.
Give it some juice. So we should hear something out of this speaker. Whoa! That's one down, one to go. And that's the other one. So don't try this at home with the power running through your speaker and playing with bare wires.
It's only speaker wire.
Still electricity, it's dangerous. And that, you probably can't hear it on the video, but we've now got amazing stereo!